Just a little bit.
Yes.
Any other detergent? Oh, that's it.
That's it.
Pick a program. Okay, Express 20. 1200, 1000, 800, 600, 400. What did you say?
1,000.
1000. 40, 30, 20 or cold?
40.
And with quick or without?
With brief.
Okay, brief. Go. Guys, we're gonna wash.
No, it's for here.
We're gonna wash some of these clothes now. That's it?
Yes.
Which program?
Synthetic.
Synthetic fiber.
Yes.
600 or 400?
600.
And which temperature?
It's okay.
With options or without?
Without.
Okay, go. Socks and pants. So we're gonna put the detergent on. Just a little bit.
Yes.
Okay, which program?
Synthetics.
Synthetic fiber again?
Or something we could with spin larger, bigger.
Okay, Express 20 then. 200,000, 800, 600, 400.
It's okay like this.
For 1200?
Yes.
400 degrees?
Yes.
With brief?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.